Good morning everyone. Welcome to MBM classes. In the previous video, you show a short trick to multiply a one-digit number. Here let us see a short trick for multiplying a two-digit by another two-digit number. Okay, so first let us take a number 21 multiplied by 23. Let us see the trick how to multiply this number within a fraction of a second. So first you put the arrow like this so that you remember how to multiply. So first I am going to multiply these two numbers 1 into 3, 3 and here the corner numbers tens digit 2 into 2, 4. Next step what I am going to do is I am going to do the cross multiplication 2 3s are 6 plus 2 into 1, 2. You add these two numbers and write it over here. So my answer is 483. Is it not simple? Yes. Now let us move on to the second number. 31 multiplied by 22. So I'll explain once again. Put the arrow. 2 into 1, 2. And here last tens place 3 into 2, 6. So for the middle digit you have to do the cross multiplication. 3 2s are 6. 2 into 1, 2. So now you add 6 plus 2, 8. So my answer is 682. Let us take one more number. 42 multiplied by 53. First put the arrows. 2 3s are 6. Next arrow. 4 into 5, 20. Now cross multiplication. 4 3s are 12. 5 2s are 10. Now you add 2, 22. So when you write 22, you write 2 here and carry at the top. So now you add 6, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, again this 2. So my answer is 2226. Okay, moving on to the next number. Put the arrow. 6 4s are 24. But don't forget to write the carry at the top. 5 3s are 15. Now cross multiplication 5 4s are 20. 6 3s are 18. Add these numbers. 38. Put 8 over here and write carry at the top. Now let us add all these digits. 4. 8 plus 2 10. So this will become 4. 5 plus 4 9. And this is 1. So my answer is 1904. Is this interesting? Okay. Now let us move on to another beautiful trick where we are going to multiply two two-digit numbers where the difference between the numbers is 2. So if you are going to look at these two numbers 74 into 76, 76 minus 74 is equal to 2. Now let us understand the trick. First you find out the middle number between 74 and 76. So middle number is, what is the middle number? Middle number is 75. Now I am going to do the square of 75. Do the square of 75. So square of 75 is equal to, already I put a separate video for finding the number ending with 5, squaring a number ending with 5. So let me explain once again. 5 5s are 25 and here we are going to do 7 into next number. 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. So my answer is here 5625. But for this multiplication, my answer will be 5625. You have to subtract one number. So it will be 5624. So this is the answer for 74 into 76. So let me give you another one example. Second one, 29 into 31. See the difference? 31 minus 29 is equal to 2. The difference is 2. So we can follow this pattern. Follow this trick actually. So what is the middle number? So write the middle number. So middle number is 30. Middle number is 30. So let me write the square of 30. So square of 30 is equal to 30 into 30, which is equal to 900. So my answer is, what is the answer? One number subtracted from this number, that is 900 minus 1 will give me 899. So my answer for 29 into 31 is 899. Hope you like this trick. Let me give you one more example. Moving on to the next example. Third one. 49 into 51. So what is the middle number? First step is to write the middle number. Middle number is 50. Second step, square of 50. Square of 50 is equal to 50 square, which is equal to 50 multiplied by 50. This gives me 2500. So my answer will be 2500 minus 1. So which will be equal to 2499. So answer for this will be 2499. Hope you find interesting. This is not a easy method. Okay, last example. 62 multiplied by 64. So write the middle number. Middle number is 63. Square of 63. Square of 63 is equal to 63 square, which is equal to 63 into 63. You can use trick number 1 to find out the answer for 63 into 63, which is equal to 3969. Therefore, my answer will be 3969 minus 1, which is equal to 3968. So, the answer of 62 into 64 is equal to 3968. Let us move on to trick number 3. That is multiplying the numbers ending with 1. We are able to see in these both the 2-digit numbers, the number is ending with 1. We are having such a beautiful trick. So first you put 2 slashes over here. In the last here, write the answer 1 into 1. So 1 into 1. And here in the second space you write 9 plus 4. And in the third space you write 9 into 4. So 9 4s are 36. 9 plus 4, 13. 1 into 1 is 1. Now you write 1 over here. Take the carry over here to the next column. So it is 3731. So this is my answer. Okay, let me move on to the next question. So check whether you are having 1 at its units place. So you put 2 slashes. So my first answer will be 1 into 1. So 1 into 1. In the middle column you had to place the tens digit. So 2 into 4. Sorry, 2 plus 4. In the last column you had to multiply the tens place. That is 2 into 4. So my answer will be 861. So it is 861. Moving on to the next one. Again unit place is 1. So make 2 slashes. First one 1 into 1. Middle place add the tens place 8 plus 4. Next column multiply the tens place 8 into 4. So 8 4s are 32. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 into 1 is 1. So answer is 1. Take the carry over here. So it is 2. 2 plus 1 is, add this, 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is 3321. So my answer is 3321. 121 multiplied by 41. Make 2 slashes. Last column 1 into 1. Middle one adding the tens place. We are going to take 12 as 12 together. So 12 plus 4. Last column 12 into 4. So 12 4s are 48. 12 plus 4 is 16. 1 into 1 is 1. So my answer will be 1. Take this 1 and take a carry. Add it to the next column. 8 plus 1 is 9. So my answer is 4961. Next one. Unit place is 1. Make 2 columns. 1 into 1. 6 plus 13. So you take 13 together and here it is 6 into 13. 6 into 13 is 78. 6 plus 13 is 19. And 1 into 1 is 1. So my answer will be 1, 9. Add the carry. 7991. Next one. Take 11 together and unit place is 1. Take 2 slashes. 1 into 1. 11 plus 5. 11 into 5. So you can, if you want, you can underline the tens place. So 11 5s are 55. 11 plus 5 is 16. 1 into 1 is 1. So my answer is 1, 6, add the carry. 5 plus 1 is 6 and it is 5. So my answer is 5, 6. Answer is 5, 6, 6, 1. Hope you enjoyed this trick. Keep practicing. Let me explain how to multiply a number by 11. This is trick number 4. First, let us take an example. 121 multiplied by 11. So you write the highest greatest place as it is and the units place as it is. Now for the middle number you have to add 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? 3. What is 2 plus 1? 3. So this is my answer. Number 19432 multiplied by 11. So first step, replace this greatest place and the unit place as it is. Now for the middle number you add 9 plus 1, 10. So you write 0 over here and carry at the top. 9 plus 4, 13. 3 over here and carry. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. So my final answer is 2, 5, 7, 3, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. You can verify your answer by traditional method, that is multiplying the given number by 11. So let us take last example 3. That is next one. 19432 multiplied 1624 multiplied by 11. So first retain the first digit and the last digit. Now you add successive digit. 1 plus 6, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. So my answer is 17864. Hope you enjoyed this trick. Keep practicing. Keep watching the MBM classes. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.